One of our professors has a rule that if you're even 1 minute late, you cannot enter the class. Last week, I was literally outside the classroom when the bell rang. By the time I reached the door, he already locked it. The weird part is that he marked everyone who was outside as absent. We're paying fees, attending classes, and still losing attendance because of a 1 minute delay. Most students think this is unfair. Some think discipline is discipline. What can we do? Okay, beautiful question, because this happens in college a lot. Sometimes the professor is on an ego trip. Sometimes there are rules and regulations, but it all comes down to your university handbook. Now, a lot of professors do have grace time period, and it's also recommended by universities that 5 to 10 minutes up and down, yes, it goes, and you should give your students attendance. And attendance is not directly related to your attention in class or how much marks you're getting. And a lot of times college professors take it on their ego. A lot of times college professors themselves are late. So if their time is valuable, the student's time is also valuable. So the professor should also understand that if he is late or if he's making a mistake, then he should also give the class up for free. A lot of university handbooks have it mentioned where the attendance would be taken in the beginning of the class or the end of the class, or if it's even biometric. And mostly attending 60% of your entire class duration qualifies as one class of attendance. If this is a very frequent issue with your professor and he's constantly taking away your attendance even though you're sitting the entire class, or just not allowing you to enter the class for menial issue, if it's happening again and again and with a lot of students, you can band in together and go to your head of department. Because if the head of department has not instructed the professor that this is what he can do, he cannot make up arbitrary rules. And if your attendance is linked to your marks, then this is exactly affecting your future. Most of the time there's strength in numbers, and if enough students band together and express this as a concerning issue that they do need grace period and they're missing out on marks and they want to come to an amicable response, they should sit with the professor as well as the head of department and sort this issue out. Most college professors are not like that, but some people do take it too far. This is a series of college rules and hostel advice, and if you have such questions, you can write to me. See you in the comments.